how to add a thread in an Instagram story. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add a thread in an Instagram story. To start the process, open your Threads application in your mobile device. Now go to your profile. Make sure that your Instagram account is connected to your Threads account. Now tap on Instagram icon. As you can see, my Thread account is also connected to Instagram. Then go back to the Threads and select any post. Now tap on Paper Airplane icon below the post. Then tap on Add to Story. You can see that my thread post is ready to share on my Instagram story. After that, tap on Send icon. Here tap on Share. Now tap on Done. After that, tap on Your Story. As you can see, our thread post is added to our Instagram story. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.